Hero, yeah.
Yes, your hero. Who is your hero in your life? That's what I want.
Maybe for me, my hero is someone that can be my role model or just inspire me by their actions or their what's their speak about something, but their words or their actions. So maybe we know that our hero or heroines from struggle to make our life better in the past, from the past, like Chen Yin. But I don't want to talk about the hero like that. But I talk about nowadays hero. For me, is maybe last time is my this is mom. She was my hero, and maybe my father first because my father is always do everything what I need, and then maybe nowadays I don't know. I have my teacher or my lecturer who maybe I learned many from them, and then I apply it in our life, in my life, usually. Maybe just that. Someone who inspire me, like a role model for me. That's my hero. Yeah. Is that maybe my friends could be one of my heroes too, because maybe they give me a good model to life, and then I learn from them. And especially my experience teach everything.
That's it.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.